So, good afternoon, or is it good evening? It's one of them. This is the entryway to my office. As you can see, I have not decorated the walls yet, the doors for Valentine's, but I am starting to. That's a mess. Mabel is messy. I just cleaned that a couple of days ago, and she is making that mess again. So I'm gonna go on and pull the other cat litter out to where it's closed in. I thought that she was the one that was pooping around the home, but she was not pooping around the home. It was my other cat. So I'm gonna go on and get the one that's closed in because she makes a mess. She makes a mess. But I have, like I said, I mopped in here. I just need to organize. I'm trying to figure out what I can do with this space. I do know I need more shelvings for my decorations. And I also want to bring in my crafting containers. I have more containers to where I can do like DIY things in my space. But so far, this is staying. I like this setup. And I'm also going to get a TV put here. But it's going to be one of the small TVs that I'm going to get put here. But I'm going to be sitting here facing that direction because I have the windows right here. I am going to put up curtains. I don't know when, but it's just a process to get my room the way I want. I'm doing it a little at a time, but I can still come off in here and package orders and still create. I got to clean this table off. Like I said, I'm trying to move stuff around, and we did just move in this home. I'm going to turn the light on because this light right here I have on at night because I love the way it look right here by the window and reflecting off this. So as you come over here, this is my sewing desk, and as you see, I did make some scrunchies. Those right now I might just give away free because I'm new at making scrunchies. And I made these. These were like for Halloween. I like them. I might just keep them for myself, but I don't know. It could be a free gift. This one I'm going to keep because you can see I made a mistake there. But yeah, this is my sewing desk. I have everything this light on this table. Yes, it's a lot of stuff up here. It's a lot of stuff up here. This right here, I do bags. Little mini bags. Where's the little container with my bags in it? It's this. This right here was going to be what I was going to craft these with. So I put them in here. I'm not done yet. I got to label everything, and I need more of these storage bins, so I'm gonna put them there. As you can see, I do have some fabric, and I'm just trying to find a best place to get fabric. This fabric I bought from Walmart, and to me they're not as big as I wanted. You can get 3 scrunchies out of this though. It'll be those size, like medium and small scrunchie. But these, hold on, let me move some more stuff. Like, I keep these magazines and stuff for some inspirations and colors. I do not take other people's designs. That's what I don't do. But these are not that bad. But these are the mini bags that I bought from Amazon. I didn't know they was mini when I purchased them. I wanted them bigger than this, but they are nice size bags. And I did already put some lanyards. And these was going to be for Halloween or whatever. I mean, it can be whatever you want. Those I put on here myself to where you can close it. Close the bag. You don't have to have it closed, but yes. This is another bag. I have not put these on my site yet because I don't know if I want to give these as a freebie. You know, it can be a free gift. I thought about if you spend $35 and over, you get a free bag. So these are going to either be my free bag or they'll be for you to purchase for as little as $5, you know. They're very cute. And it also would come with this. I'm going to also make a chain that go from here to here, which is going to be very cute. But yeah. But these are bags. I do dabble in making bags. I like to create different stuff, make different stuff. But okay, let's move on in the room. That's my chair. That storage bins is on. This is more of my crafting stuff. But over here we have more. I was looking for that storage bin lid. Over here we have more beads. That's my bag. Y'all, I bought that bag years ago. Okay, when I say years ago, I bought that bag years ago. And it still looked brand new. Because I just wanted, it wasn't even that expensive. It's a Coach bag, matter of fact. And I did get it from the store itself. This the bag I think I'm gonna get this to my sister because she loves carrying bags. Me, not as much, but I have a black and white bag. I love black and white. But okay, back to the beads. This is a shelf with my beads on it as well. I have different variety of beads over here. I want to get all my charms and put them on like one side. This right here is for me to make earrings with. I do need another kit. And I got those off Amazon. A lot of my beads I got from Amazon, Michaels, and Hobby Lobbies. And I do pins. As you can see, I do pins. Those right there go to those lanyards that I have. And I do have those beads. I have plenty of beads over here. Like a lot of stuff. I'm so ready to get in my office and just create, have fun making things. But, y'all, look up there. Isn't she pretty? Yes, she is. And she have orange hair. Like, that's my favorite color, guys. My baby girl bought that for me. And as you see, I have my little orange teddy bear. I love orange. It's going to be orange somewhere, okay? Those was for Christmas, but I was like, no. I'm gonna keep those out. I'm keeping that out. That's my printer. This right here, it actually moves. It's like a display turner that you can put stuff on. But yeah, that's what it's looking like now. This right here was for when I was dabbling in using wire to make my keychains or the wristlets. But I also use wire and I also use this string, nylon string. Both works as well. And I do have like forgot what it's called to where you can tighten it. But yes, this is what I'm working with right now. Guys, I have a lot of beads. Like I have more stuff on the bottom. Like I said, this stuff right here, these beads, the chain my niece gave me to support my business. I have this because, like I said, I do craft. I like making stuff, you know, to go around my home instead of going to the store and buying it. Because you can go to a lot of stores to get what you need to make the product. So I do have that right here. So if I do get a bead or something, or I need to put a hole in something, I have that. I don't know. I need to find my little kit that goes with it because it got other little small tools for that as well. But yeah, those are my pins. These are bracelets that I need to put up. I have a lot of bracelets that I need to show you all close up what I have to sell. And also more stuff of what I'm going to create. But there it goes. These right here are my pens. I do collect pens myself, and I order pens from other companies as well. But I love pens. I love pens. These right here, I got from Dollar General. I got these from Dollar General. This one, oh, goodness. Come on now. This one I bought from the Dollar Tree. And guess what? They had my favorite color again. Got that from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I'm trying to put more orange stuff, so I'm thinking that's more of my beads that I have as well. And y'all, these are ink pens that I do not have on my site. Let me just bring y'all over here. I hope it's covered up. I don't need none of my address on it. But this I got from Walmart, from McDonald's. This is an ink pen that I have that's not on my site currently, but I need to put it on there so they can sell. So that's one ink pen. Let me move that over. Then I have this ink pen, which is very pretty, y'all. I made these and I was unable to put them on my site because I work full time at another job. Actually, that's another ink pen that's for sale. These ink pens, I'm selling these ink pens for $5 actually. These are $5. I do have some on my site that's like for, what is it, $4.30. I do have some that's like $6. So I don't know how much I might sell these ink pens for, but look, oh, so pretty. I love this one. Then I have another one. I have like a couple more that I made. And these ink pens right here, I did order off Temu. I ordered the bead off Temu and the focal off Temu. And they are very cute. And I love that one too. That pink and, that purple and blue is so gorgeous. Look at this one. Isn't he cute? The cutest little teddy bear. I said teddy bear, but okay. So yeah, and this table do have a lot more items on it as well. Let me make sure there's no mail up here. I'm gonna just put it there. So I do have these. See, this was gonna go on the bigger bags that I need to order. And I ordered the wrong size bag. I ordered this bag right here, which it looks like it'll fit, but you know what? That might just fit. Let me know, guys, what I should do. But yes, so, and there goes the kit right there to my rotary tool. But okay, guys, I was just showing y'all a little bit of my office. I would go live again maybe in the next day or so. Oh no, let me show y'all. Okay, let's go over here to this wall. So I do have my books on this wall. This is stuff that I need to move. That's my printer that doesn't work. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe because it needs to be on the internet or something. But yes, this is my other wall. That's my Mac. As you can see, it do have orange on it. But this is my book wall, guys. I have recipes, and then these are some of the books that I do read right here. And my Echo is also here. A little refrigerator. You can put drinks in it or your makeup. It's not even plugged up at time. It's just like a decoration right now. But yes, I'm not done. Like I said, I'm not done. And I want y'all to follow along with the process of me finishing my space. And that's my dad. Right there. That's my dad. I miss him so much. I miss telling him that my mom's going to find another man one day. Y'all, seriously, I did every time I got on the phone. But yes. And every time I just think of the things that I used to say to him. But anyways, well, let me go finish my day up. Oops. And that is Crystal in a little blue. That's Crystal right there. She passed away last year, February. She was 8 years old. But okay, guys, y'all have a great day. And if y'all like the end of this video, if y'all like the whole video, please subscribe, comment, let me know where you're from, and let me know what you all would like to see. And have a great day.